Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, today we're gonna study mechanics. Today we are going to solve a problem related to projectiles. By solving this problem of projectile, we're gonna learn some basics also, some basic concepts of projectiles. So let's get started. Before starting, fellas, I'm going to say something for you, fellas. I am getting positive response for you for making video tutorials more. I'm really appreciating for that. Thanks for your support, fellas, for being part of our team. So thanks a lot, fellas, for supporting me and being being an inspiration for me for doing more tutorials. Thanks a lot. Now let's get back to the question. Now we are going to solve the second part of this question. Okay fellas, so if you have missed the first part, please click the link that is given here. Here you will find the solution of first part of this question, the solution of the first part of this question, and this will open in the new tab so that you can come back to this video tutorial after watching the first part. Okay, please click here for watching the first part. If you have watched the first part, now let us move on to the second part. Okay, let's read the question. In B it says, given that y is equals to 8.1 and x equals to 36, find the value of tan theta. Well, there is one thing we need to be careful. They have asked us to find tan theta, not tan alpha. Sorry, they have asked us to find tan alpha, not alpha. They have asked us to find tan alpha, not the angle. Okay, they don't ask about the angle, not alpha only. Okay, they have asked us to find tan alpha, so be careful about that. So now what we gonna do is we gonna use this expression that we have showed this equation. We have proved this equation in A. We're gonna use this equation for finding the value of tan alpha. Okay, so we're gonna copy this out. Okay, so here is the equation that we have solved in A. Now we are going to substitute the values. That's it, as simple as that. 36, where y is equals to 8.1 and x equals to 36. Here you goes tan alpha minus 36 whole square divided by 90, and let me write this in separately, 1 by cos whole square alpha. Alright, now let us simplify this further. 36 tan alpha, and if you have calculated this one, this will come as 14.4. okay, and this is 1 by cos square alpha. Well, we get something like this. So now our main thing is to make this thing disappear, to make this thing, to find this thing, to find tan alpha, we need to disappear this expression. Okay, So for that we need to recall some of the trigonometrical identity, that is sec square alpha is equivalent to 1 by cos square alpha. Okay, there is another trigonometrical identity that you have came across, that is sec square alpha is equals to 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, so we're gonna put this thing out here. Okay, to find tan alpha. All right, so 36 tan alpha minus 14.4 sec square alpha. So now what we gonna do is we gonna substitute this thing with this identity. Okay, sec square alpha is equals to 1 plus tan square alpha. 8.1 is equals to 36 tan alpha minus 14.4, sorry, this should be 1 plus tan square alpha. So now we have got a what we have got here is a quadratic equation, if you have noticed. Okay, if you have noticed, you will find that you have got something quadratic here. If I rearrange this thing, we'll get something like this thing, 14.4 tan square alpha minus 36 tan alpha, and this become positive 8 plus 8.1 plus 14.4 is equals to 0. So we get, what we get here is tan square alpha minus 36 tan alpha, and if we add we get 22.5 equals to 0. So let us write this thing as fraction. We get here is 72 by 5 tan square alpha minus 36 tan alpha plus 22.5 gives us, if we write this as fraction, we get 45 by 2 is equals to 0. Now we are multiplying both sides by 10 to remove this denominator. Okay, to remove this denominator we multiply both sides by 10. So what we get here is, here we get 2 multiplied by 72, which is 144 tan square alpha minus 10 into 36, which is 360 tan alpha, plus 5 into 45, which is 225, is equals to 0. So if you have noticed, what we have get here is a quadratic equation. Here is nothing but tan alpha. We get nothing except tan alpha. There is nothing identity, any other identity like sin alpha, cos alpha. We have removed the cos alpha from here and put the whole thing in terms of tan alpha. Okay, so now we can easily solve this by solving this. Now we can easily find tan alpha by solving this quadratic equation. So here it is identical to ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 equation. So now what am I gonna do is I'm gonna solve by general equation, or you can do by middle term. You can solve this by middle term or factorizing. You can solve this, you can also solve by factorization, but I'm gonna do with general formula. Okay, so general formula is minus, okay, let me recall the general formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac is the general formula. Okay, divided by 2a. So we're gonna use this general formula here. Here the x is tan alpha. Okay, here the x corresponds to tan alpha. So minus b, which is minus 360, plus minus root over b square, where b square is minus 360 whole square minus 4a, which is 144, c, which is 225. Okay, divided by twice a, which is 144. If you have calculated, you will see that the answer will be 5 by 4. So this is the answer. Okay, so now you might ask a question here that why there is only one answer. That's because this whole thing, that is the b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 if you have calculated. That is minus 360. Let me write the inside part here. The inside part is b square minus 4ac. Here the inside part is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b square is minus 3. Let me write it clearly. 360 whole square minus 4a. A is 144. C is 225. So if you have calculated, this value will come as 0. Since this is 0, so the roots will be same roots. Roots are same. So from here we have also learned that the roots are also same here. So the ultimate answer will be tan alpha is equals to 5 by 4. So that's the solution to this question. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the answer. Okay, so fellas, if you don't understand any part of this solution, please ask me in the comment section. Please give me a feedback about this solution. How was it? How you felt about this solution? Please tell me. If you also face any problem, if you don't understand any part of this solution, please ask me in the comment section. Then I will try my best to make you understand. Okay, so here we have found the value of tan alpha. The tan alpha answer is this. Well, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks a lot. It means a lot to me, fellas. Thanks for supporting me. Fellas, I'm really glad that you have watched till the end. and watching this thing right now. I can't believe that you have watched till this end and that you have come to this point. Thanks a lot, and I'm really appreciating for you fellas. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Please write something in the comment section. Okay, and I am always there to help you fellas, because I make video for you only fellas, because my videos are only dedicated to you fellas, and I make only videos for you fellas. Okay, so and also please give your feedback for this video, whether this video was helpful for you or not. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, and tell me about this video tutorial, and it would be very helpful for me, and it is very important for me for the next video tutorial. How am I supposed to make next video tutorial? Relies on this feedback. So it is very important for me about the feedback. Okay. Well fellas, here is the free courses only for you fellas. You can click here to grab them. It's completely free for you fellas, and I only make videos for you only fellas. Okay, so it's completely free only for you fellas. If you want fellas, you may become a part of our team by clicking this button to stay updated. Okay, so why not become a fellas? So by clicking this button, you will become our fellas and be the part of our team. Okay, we'll be making more video tutorials later on, and we will update regularly in our channel. We will update our channel regularly. Okay, so stay tuned and best of luck.